Right, hello you lovely people, welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm not in my living room and I'm not at Robbie's yard. I'm on holiday at the minute. As you're watching this video, I'm in Mauritius on holiday celebrating my 21st birthday, so big love to you all. Thanks for supporting that, and hope you're enjoying the video. So that's why the intro's a little bit different and the outro's going to be a little bit different for the next few videos. Yeah, I'm in a pretty nice place to be fair, in Mauritius. Yeah, never been here before, but I'm really liking it. But yeah, what are we going to be doing in today's video? We're going to be working on the Astrogini that I've just bought. I don't think I would have told you before I bought it, but yeah, anyway, I've got back into buying and selling, and I bought an Astra GTC 1.7 diesel manual, needing a bit of work. So I'll go up Robbie's yard and do a bit of work on it and then basically go from there. But yeah, hope you'll enjoy the video. Keep watching. Just been in Napa car parks getting a belt for a car. I couldn't help myself. I had to get back in. I stayed out of the barn the cars and selling them for a little while, but I had to get back in. So I'm back in and I've just got a belt for a car that I've just bought that needs a little bit of work done. Needs an aux belt, a tensioner which come with the car, and a few other little bits. So just got that, and I'm gonna get back to Robbie's yard now and just crack on with it, and then obviously I'll show you, I'll get a few clips and all that. But yeah, I had to, I couldn't stay out of it, couldn't help myself. So I've got a car, I'll show you when I get there, but yeah, so I've got a car to sell on, but yeah, bosh. Anyway people, we're working on the new project car. I have not revealed it to you all just yet. I'm absolutely filthy, I've had enough. I've been here for about 6-7 hours at Robbie's unit trying to fix it. I got it for a really good price, so it's a project car to make some money on quickly. Going on holiday Monday and it's Friday, so you've got to get it done quick. I'll give you a clue. That, I know, not German. It's a Astra GTC 1.7 diesel. Apparently it's an Isuzu engine. Apparently they're quite good, but anyway, cut a long story short, it keeps throwing aux belts off. So we're putting a new aux belt on it, but the tensioner is screwed. So we've got to get the whole aux belt assembly off. So I'm just unplugging all that and then going to remove that, and then Robbie and I are going to drill the thing out and then go from there. But what an absolute pain in the arse. 7 hours been on this. It needs discs and pads all round. Yeah, it's the hardest job in the world. Probably take 2, 3, 4 hours, nothing crazy. It's got a leak from the sump, so we've got to sort that, clean it all out with brake cleaner, and then see where it's coming from, and then kind of go from there. But yeah, I've taken a little break from selling cars, been out of it about a month now, and I just wanted to get back into it to keep topping up the pot, but I realised why I kind of took a break from it, because it was a pain in the arse. But I'll crack on, I'll keep you all posted. Also, thank you all from the bottom of my heart for watching the video, really appreciate it. Thank you for everything, all the support and that on the videos, all the likes and the comments and subscriptions. Appreciate it all, I've read all the comments and that. I do try and get back to you all. If you do want to follow me on Instagram, you know to follow me at Harley Brown 10 on Instagram. I do try to reply to as many of you all as I can. Obviously I'm not going to be very active on there while I'm away on holiday, because I'm on holiday and don't really want to talk to anyone. But anyway, yeah, thank you all for watching. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Hope you all enjoy the video, and I'll see you next Sunday at 6 o'clock. Boom.